right, so that was the first start. We're still blowing a little smoke out of the right-hand side. Not a lot out of the left-hand side that I could see. I'm going to leave it as is and test ride it and maybe take it out on the highway for a while. Everybody says, run it hard, settle the rings. We'll find out. So the bike seems to be 50% better. Only one side smoking now. We'll see what happens.